It's time to get in that ass. First, Facebook posts. I really like shit with nudity. Don't get a babysitter just to come down the block to come smoke with me. How come girls buy natural looking weave and then put it in their hair and say Team Natural? You naturally brought that shit, my nigga. I don't like when I'm walking down the street and a dude try to talk to me. Or he'll like holler like, psst, yo ma, psst, hey miss, how you doing? Yo. And I really don't feel like talking to you because I'm kind of caught in a conflict. It's like, if I don't speak to you, you gonna yell, cause a scene. That shit is annoying. And then, if I do talk to you, I'm never gonna be able to get rid of you. Sometimes, I just want to walk down the street and buy my pads.